Why would they make fun of your glutes?
I'm self-conscious.
This feels so good you won't care. This is what we use on our athletes. So I can't yell too much louder, so if we can cut the conversations, that would be great. I'm having to talk over my loud motor here too. The athletes, how often can you take this gluteal group and lift it? How often can you take the IT band and TFL and separate it? Because heat fused the fascia. If they're a runner, a cyclist, any athlete, they are going to be tight as a drum through here. Pump up that first time if you don't want to get kicked. And just keep loosening it. And we've got athletes now, they have no recovery time after their event. They get done, they walk away while everyone else is on the ground and having to recover from the event. Race times have gone down. So lift this glute up and get it up again. And we also do this just for aesthetics. You know, give somebody a butt lift. You know, it'd be really...
What about for like runners? Just from what you said, that sounds like it would be pretty cool to do pre-race also.
Yeah, pre and post. And notice these have a curve, so sometimes you got to work with it. I like to grab right down here and pull up.
And no lubrication.
Oh, you can. I just went for it because I hadn't gotten to that part yet.
Yeah.
So how it feels? Does it hurt?
No, it feels good.
It does. It feels amazing. Now, what I really like to do often is the bifurcated hose and putting a cup on each glute.
Right.
And it is fun. They're giggling. And then I go and work somewhere else while it pumps away. And work over here, work the sacrum. And then once that's done, I can come in, move my cups down here, let them pump a little bit. I work the glute. You can turn into a dance after a while.
This is pumping right now?
Yep.
I know difference.
Oh,
in the height.
okay.
Now, if you don't want to get oil into your machine, but you're putting oil on the body, isn't it going to suck some up anyway?
No, you'd have to put it right at the tube.
Oh,
You
okay.
have to really slick them down.
Yeah, you'd have to have an oil slick on there. And again, I like to come in and move it around. I mean, look at this too. You know, doing some of the movements here. And you might want to hold up as you're doing this one here. How's that feel?
Good.
It's nice. I mean, there is no other way I know of to lift the glute like that. So, oh, love it! Good one! Woo!